The Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO, is a powerful tool in the fight against organized crime. It helps the FBI and other law enforcement agencies tackle the complex web of organized crime. Enacted in 1970, RICO was designed to target ongoing criminal enterprises that operate over extended periods. These are not just single crimes, but a series of illegal activities that are interconnected. RICO goes after patterns of illegal activity, making it easier to prosecute those involved in organized crime. This includes a wide range of crimes like extortion, drug trafficking, money laundering, and even murder. If convicted under RICO, criminals face serious penalties, including long prison sentences. They can get up to 20 years in prison for each RICO violation, which can add up to a lifetime behind bars. RICO also allows law enforcement to seize assets obtained through criminal activities. This cripples criminal organizations financially. They lose their power and money, making it difficult for them to continue their operations. RICO is crucial in dismantling these groups, breaking down their networks and operations. By depriving criminals of their ill-gotten gains, RICO helps to ensure that crime does not pay. It helps break the cycle of crime, making communities safer and more secure for everyone. RICO is a testament to the power of the law and its ability to bring justice to those who think they are above it. It disrupts and dismantles organized crime, ensuring that justice prevails. Building a RICO case takes time. We need airtight evidence. This requires meticulous investigation. We use a variety of techniques. Surveillance is one method. We watch the suspects. We listen to their conversations. We gather information about their activities. Undercover work is another key strategy. Agents infiltrate criminal organizations. They gain the trust of its members. They gather evidence from the inside. Financial investigation is also crucial. We follow the money trail. We look for illegal financial transactions. We uncover hidden assets. All of this evidence is carefully documented. We build a strong case. We work closely with prosecutors. Our goal is to obtain convictions. RICO cases are complex, but they are essential to dismantling organized crime. Sometimes, we need help from inside the organization. We offer immunity to certain individuals. This means they won't be prosecuted, but they have to provide us with valuable information. Immunity is a powerful tool. It can convince criminals to turn on their associates. They become cooperating witnesses. They testify against their former partners in crime. Of course, offering immunity is a delicate decision. We have to weigh the benefits against the risks, but in many cases, it is essential. Immunity helps us break the code of silence. It allows us to dismantle criminal organizations from within. It is a strategic move, and it has proven to be highly effective. One of the most famous examples of immunity is Sammy "the Bull" Gravano. He was a high-ranking member of the Gambino crime family. Gravano agreed to testify against John Gotti. Gotti was the head of the Gambino family. Gravano's testimony was explosive. He provided detailed information about Gotti's crimes. This included murder, racketeering, and other offenses. Gravano's cooperation was instrumental. It led to Gotti's conviction in 1992. Gotti was sentenced to life in prison. This case demonstrates the power of immunity. It shows how it can bring down even the most powerful criminals. Gravano's cooperation was a major blow to the Gambino family. It crippled their operations. Section 5. The Code of Silence, Omertà and the Challenges of RICO Investigations. One of the biggest challenges we face in RICO investigations is Omertà. This is the code of silence deeply ingrained in organized crime syndicates. Members are sworn to secrecy, pledging their loyalty to the organization. They are often threatened with severe violence if they break this code. This fear makes them extremely reluctant to talk to law enforcement officers. Omertà creates significant obstacles, making it difficult to gather crucial evidence. Witnesses are hesitant to come forward, fearing retribution. They fear not only for their own lives, but also for the safety of their families. To combat this, we have to find innovative ways to break through this wall of silence. Building trust with potential witnesses is essential in these investigations. We need to assure them of their safety through witness protection programs. This is where legal tools like immunity play a crucial role. Immunity can provide the necessary incentive for witnesses to come forward and share what they know. But even with the promise of immunity, it takes immense courage to testify against dangerous criminals. Overcoming Omertà is a challenging but essential part of dismantling organized crime networks. With persistence, strategy, and the bravery of witnesses, we can achieve justice. Section 6. Wiretaps and surveillance. Penetrating the veil of secrecy. To overcome Omertà, we rely on sophisticated techniques. Wiretaps are one of our most valuable tools. We obtain court orders to intercept phone calls. We listen in on conversations between criminals. We gather evidence of their illegal activities. This can include drug deals, extortion plots, and even murder conspiracies. Surveillance is another key strategy. We use hidden cameras and microphones. We track the movements of suspects. We observe their meetings. We document their interactions. Wiretaps and surveillance allow us to gather evidence without relying on witnesses. This is especially important in cases where Omertà is strong. Section 7. Taking down the mob. The RICO trial of John Gotti. The RICO trial of John Gotti is a prime example of our work. Gotti was the boss of the Gambino crime family. He was a powerful and ruthless figure. He thought he was untouchable. We built a strong case against him. We used wiretaps and surveillance. We secured the cooperation of Sammy Gravano. Gravano was Gotti's right-hand man. Gravano's testimony was devastating. He exposed Gotti's criminal empire. The jury found Gotti guilty on all charges. He was sentenced to life in prison. The Gotti case sent a clear message. The FBI will not tolerate organized crime. We will use every tool at our disposal to bring criminals to justice. Section 8. Beyond the Mafia, RICO's expanding reach in the 21st century. RICO was originally designed to target the Mafia, but its reach has expanded over the years. We now use RICO to combat a wide range of criminal enterprises. This includes drug cartels, street gangs, and even corrupt businesses. RICO is a versatile tool. It allows us to target the structure of criminal organizations. We can go after the leaders and the foot soldiers. We can seize their assets and disrupt their operations. RICO has proven to be highly effective in these efforts. Its flexibility makes it a valuable weapon in the fight against crime. Section 9. The future of RICO. A vital weapon in the fight against organized crime. RICO remains a vital tool for law enforcement. It helps us protect communities from the grip of organized crime. As criminal organizations evolve, so too must our tactics. We are constantly adapting to new threats. We are using RICO to combat cybercrime, human trafficking, and other emerging criminal enterprises. RICO allows us to stay one step ahead of the criminals. It gives us the power to dismantle their organizations and bring them to justice. The fight against organized crime is never-ending, but with RICO, we have a powerful weapon to combat this threat. Section 10. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of RICO. RICO, the Racketeer-Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, has had a profound impact on law enforcement since its inception in 1970. It has helped us achieve significant victories against organized crime, enabling law enforcement to dismantle complex criminal networks that were once thought untouchable. Notably, it has brought down powerful figures like John Gotti, the infamous boss of the Gambino crime family, showcasing its effectiveness in targeting high-profile criminals. Beyond individual arrests, RICO has dismantled entire criminal empires, seizing illegal goods, shutting down drug labs, and confiscating weapons that fuel violence. By doing so, RICO has made our communities safer, allowing residents to live without the constant fear of organized crime. It has given hope to those who have been victimized by organized crime, providing a sense of justice and closure to countless individuals and families. However, the fight against organized crime is far from over. criminal organizations continue to evolve, finding new ways to operate and evade law enforcement. But with RICO, we have a powerful tool to combat this ever-present threat, adapting our strategies to stay one step ahead. We will continue to use RICO to protect our communities and bring criminals to justice, ensuring that the rule of law prevails. RICO is a testament to the power of the law, demonstrating that justice can be served even against the most formidable adversaries. It is a reminder that we will never back down from the fight against organized crime, standing firm in our commitment to uphold justice and protect our society.